We've been building the next generation of entry-level CAD/CAM software. Designed with the Mac experience at its core, Spark has been crafted from the ground up to feel right at home on the Mac, with a sleek, minimal and beautifully intuitive interface that puts creativity first. Built for creative designers, makers and hobbyists, it combines the power of CAD/CAM with the simplicity and elegance Mac users expect. Introducing Spark, the new way to design and machine your ideas. Whether you're carving signs, machining parts or prototyping products, Spark gives you a complete workflow, from sketch to toolpath to finished cut. It's welcoming for beginners with the trusted power of Vectric behind it. The interface is clean, modern and distraction-free. Your design tools live on the left, your toolpaths live on the right, and everything you need exactly where you expect it. With a single unified workspace, navigation feels natural from the moment you open the software. Start from scratch with simple vector tools. Lines, shapes, text, freehand drawing, or bring in your artwork with support for SVG images and more. Refine your vectors with intuitive editing tools such as mirroring, trimming, joining, offsets and Boolean operations, all with live visual feedback so you always know what your changes will look like. We've streamlined Spark into one seamless workflow. You get fast access to the tools that keep your vectors precise, smart snapping, grid snap view, guides and rulers for exact placement every time. Intuitive controls make orbiting, zooming and inspecting your project effortless, letting you move faster, stay accurate and design with total confidence. When you're ready to machine, choose from a suite of clear, beginner-friendly toolpaths, featuring the cutout toolpath for simple, reliable part cutting, the cut along toolpath, perfect for marking and outlining, the pocket toolpath, enabling you to machine clean recesses with an optional clearance pass, the drill toolpath for fast, accurate hole operations, the all-powerful V-carve toolpath to create crisp lettering and detailed engraving, with an optional clearance tool. On top of the CNC essentials, we've also included 3 laser strategies for use with laser add-on hardware. Those feature the laser cut toolpath for cutting and scoring, the laser fill toolpath for hatching inside of closed vectors, and the laser picture toolpath, allowing users to turn photos into laser-ready artwork. This is the perfect toolpath set to get you making straight away. Our powerful toolpath preview shows exactly what your machine will cut. The simulation allows you to inspect every detail and catch issues before they reach the CNC. What you see here is truly what you'll get, giving you confidence and precision. Spark works with a wide range of CNC machines. It uses post-processors to format your toolpaths in the exact way your machine understands, so your exported file is ready to cut. If you're ready for a faster, smarter, more enjoyable CNC workflow, download the trial of Spark today. Explore the tutorials and see what you can create. Your next Mac project starts right here.